Hey, Vet Science, welcome to our next section of the respiratory system. So we're going to talk a little bit about the pathway of gases, but before we get to the specific events of the respiratory process, I want to share about the conducting zone and the respiratory zone. Okay. These two are very important to understand and know, so that's why we're going to review them in this quick tutorial video. The conducting zone is where bulk airflow occurs and there is no gas exchange that happens. Bronchodilation and bronchoconstriction play an important role in this particular region. Okay, that is how the bronchioles are set up. Okay, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, and terminal bronchioles are all included within the conducting zone. Now, the respiratory zone is where gas exchange occurs, and that's O2 and CO2, so oxygen gas and carbon dioxide. Note that there's extensive branching as you move toward the lungs. This will include our respiratory bronchioles, alveolar ducts, and alveoli. So we can see over here in our diagram, the conducting zone is this red area, and our respiratory zone is this purple area at the bottom, okay? We see here that there's a lot more surface area with those little ridges and sacs that are on the outside, okay? This is because there is gas exchange occurring and there's more like surface area present on these this area of the respiratory system. Okay. The number of tubes in each branch also increases dramatically, as you can see on this diagram. Okay. We start with one tube in the first branch in the trachea, obviously, and then by the time we get down to the sacs, it's 8 times 10 to the 6th. So that's a lot of tubes within each branch of the respiratory tract. So you can kind of see it's that upside down Y bronchiole, and then we or bronchus, and then it branches into the bronchioles, and then the respiratory bronchioles, and the ducts, and the sacs. So this kind of shows you the basics of how our respiratory system is set up. Again, if you don't memorize all of this stuff, I just want you to know that gas exchange occurs in the respiratory zone and not the conducting zone, and that bulk airflow happens in the conducting zone. Okay, so again, conducting zone, bulk airflow, no gas exchange. Respiratory zone, gas exchange, because we have our alveoli present to help facilitate that. Okay. We are going to stop there, and I'm going to provide a little video for each of these respiration events. Thanks for watching.